Turkish 2 Heavy, continue Charlie Echo, Mach 1239er.
Okay, Charlie Echo, 1239er, Turkish 2. Bye-bye.
Delta 272 Heavy, Mach 1239er.
239, Delta 272 Heavy, okay, one.
Number 4914, follow Delta, cross runway 13 left, Mach 1239.
Follow the Delta, cross 13 left, 123.98, that was for next.
JetBlue 2 can expect new airways on your data link.
Alright, we'll be looking for it.
Tower, good day, Turkish 2 Heavy, now on Charlie. Tower, Turkish 2 Heavy.
Hey, Turkish 2 Heavy.
Hello, sir, now on Charlie.
Are you okay?
Yes, you're okay.
Alright, just checking out.
We are proceeding Echo, Turkish 2.
Okay. Talk to you when you get there.
You didn't ask if we were okay.
Nobody ever asked me.
Are you okay tonight?
Everybody's okay today.
Delta 1 Heavy, contacting you to Port 2, good night.
Glad to hear you're doing okay. Have a good night, Delta 1 Heavy.
See you later. Delta 4 Heavy, what is your gate number? Did they tell you?
Yeah, they just gave us 43 now.
Alright, cool. Cross runway 31 off the Kilo, turn right on Bravo, monitor ground. Delta 4 Heavy, have a good night.
Yeah, sorry about that. We're on 41 now. 41 for Bravo for Delta 4.
Yeah, that's fine. All the same. Cross 31 off the Kilo, turn right Bravo, monitor ground. Delta 4 Heavy, have a good night.
Okay, cross 31 left Bravo and the Kilo Delta 4. Have a good night.
Turkish 2 Heavy, hello again. Runway 22 right, line 8.
And upon mate, runway 22 right, Turkish 2, hello.
Turkish 2 Heavy, the winds 1908, runway 22 right, so takeoff.
Prefer takeoff runway 22 right, Turkish 2 Heavy.
Pick up 8658, contact New York departure, have a good night.
Over departure, Picker 5658. I hope you keep doing okay. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, thanks. Turkish 2 Heavy, contact New York departure.
Contact departure, bye-bye, Turkish 2.
Bye-bye.